example 2. The number of people receiving food stamps can be modeled by this function. So the function would give you the number of people receiving food stamps, and x is the number of years after 1990. So if x is 5, the year is 1995. This is a quadratic, and we see there's a negative lead coefficient, so we know it goes like this. So the y-axis is the number of people receiving food stamps, and the x-axis gives us the year after 1990. So the first question is, what's the most number of people receiving food stamps? So to find the most number of people, we need to find the vertex, and the x-coordinate of the vertex is calculated by finding negative b over 2a. So x is negative 4 over negative 1/2. So x is negative over negative is positive. 4 divided by 1/2 is the same as 4 times 2, so that's 8. So the year where the most people received food stamps was 1998. So I haven't answered question A, which is what was the most number of people receiving food stamps. That's n of x, and it's negative 1/2 times 8 squared plus 4 times 8 plus 19. And obviously you would just put that in a calculator. So negative 1/2 times 64 is negative 32 plus 32 plus 19. The answer is 19, but that's not 19 people. It's 19 million people received food stamps. And that's the answer to A. And what year did it happen? 1998. Okay. Example 3. Find a pair of numbers. So that one was 2. 3. Find a pair of numbers whose sum is 8 and whose product is as large as possible. All right. We're going to try and create a quadratic equation for this. So if I have 2 numbers, let's make them x plus y. Their sum is 8, and we want to maximize the product. So the product is x times y. So let's say P equals x times y. Now, what does this have to do with quadratics? Well, if I take my first equation, I can see that y is 8 minus x. So then the product is a function of x. It's x times 8 minus x. So that's 8x minus x squared. And then we put that in order. Negative x squared plus 8x plus 0. That's the product. I want to know where this quadratic that's opening down reaches a maximum. I want a maximum product. So my graph would look like this. I want the vertex, and the vertex is x equals negative b over 2a. So x is negative 8 over negative 2. X is 4, and the product is negative 4 squared plus 8 times 4. So it's negative 16 plus 32, which is 16. And that's example 3.